If you want to change your profile picture on Whop, this quick tutorial will walk you through the full process step by step. It only takes a minute, and once you know where to click, you can update your avatar anytime you want. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, make sure you are on the home feed inside Whop. From there, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This will open your account menu. Next, find the gear icon that appears to the right of your profile name. Click that gear icon to open your account settings. Now that you are inside Settings, look at the left sidebar menu and make sure you are on the Edit Profile tab. This is where Whop lets you update your public profile details, including your profile picture. On the main page, you should see your current profile avatar icon. That is the image you are going to replace. To upload a new picture, click directly on your profile avatar image. This will open your device's File Explorer, where you can browse through your files and choose the image you want to use. Select the new picture from your device, then click Open to upload it. After the image loads, Whop will give you a preview window. Here, you can adjust how your profile picture looks before saving it. Use the slider to zoom in or zoom out until the image is positioned the way you want. Take a moment to make sure your face or logo is centered properly, because this is what other people will see on your profile. Once everything looks good, click Save in the image preview window. Whop will apply the change, and your new profile picture will be updated right away. If it does not update instantly, just refresh the page and check your profile again. And that is how to change your profile picture on Whop. It is a very easy process once you know where the Edit Profile tab is and how to upload the new avatar. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.